morning students, welcome to Adas Vidyalaya Max online class. Today we will see the chapter Geometry, exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Check whether the which triangle are similar and find the value of x. Check whether the which triangles are similar and find the value of x. See the question number 1 and 2. Here first ABC one triangle and second triangle is ADE. Second diagram also ABC is one triangle and second triangle is PQC. We have two triangles. Question number 1 solution. We take the triangle AED and ABC. That is, first we take the constant side AE divided by AC. What is answer of AE divided by AC? AE value is 2, AC value is AE plus EC. So therefore 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2. Take LCM 3 to 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. 2 plus 7 by 2. That is answer is 11 by 2. AC value is 11 by 2. Therefore AE by AC that is equal to 2 divided by 11 by 2. Take a reciprocal. Therefore 2 into 2, 4 by 11. We have AE by AC equal to 4 by 11. Next corresponding side AD divided by AB. What is AD value? 3. Yes. Next AB value is AD plus DB. 3 plus 5 that is equal to AB equal to 8. Therefore AD by AB value, what is answer is 3 by 8. Here AE by AC equal to 4 by 11. Therefore not equal AE divided by AC not equal to AD by AB. Therefore that is not, they are not similar triangle because the corresponding sides are not equal. AE by AC not equal to AD divided by AB. Therefore they are not similar triangle. The second question in triangle ABC and triangle PQC. Here ABC equal to PQC equal to 70 degree. See the triangle ABC equal to PQC equal to 70 degree. Angle C is a common angle. Angle C equal to angle C is a common angle. Therefore angle A equal to QPC, angle QPC, because A equal to by angle criterion means that is angle A equal to angle QPC. See here, therefore triangle ABC and triangle PQC are similar triangle. Now check that AB divided by PQ, take corresponding side. We have two triangle side. First one AB divided by PQ, 5 by x that is equal to BC divided by QC, that is 6. BC value is 3 plus 3, that is 6 divided by QC equal to 3. So 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Cross multiplying 2 into 3, 6, that is equal to 6x. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 2x divided by 5. Now cancel the value. Therefore x equal to 2.5. Find the value of x, that is similar triangle ABC and PQC are similar triangle. Therefore the x value is 2.5. Can you understand? Okay. Question number 2. A girl looks the reflection of the top of the lamppost on the mirror, which is 6.6 meter away from the foot of the lamppost. The girl whose height is 1.25 meter is starting 2.5 meter away from the mirror, assuming that mirror is placed on the ground facing the sky and the girl. Mirror and the lamppost are in the same line. Find the height of the lamppost. What is the question? Mirror, girl and the lamppost are in the same line. We find the height of the lamppost. The given that the girl whose height is 1.25 meter standing 2.5 meter away from the mirror, assuming that mirror is placed on the ground facing the sky and the girl, mirror and the lamppost are in the same line. Find the height of the lamppost. Solution. In the picture M, triangle MLN and triangle MGR are similar triangle. See, the M is a mirror, G be the girl, L be the lamp post. So find the lamp post height, mean that is Ln, we find the value, that is we take H. GR be the height of the girl. The height of the girl equal to 1.25 meter, and the girl standing from the mirror, that is 2.5 meter. Mirror and lamp post length is 6.6 meter. M be the mirror, GR be the height of the girl, Ln be the height of the lamp post. Here the triangle, we have two triangle, one MLN and triangle MGRR, that is right angle triangle. Therefore two triangles are similar. Therefore similar means we have write the corresponding sides are equal. GR divided by Ln and MG divided by ML. What is value of GR? That is 1.25 meter, divided by Ln equal to H, that equal to Mg value is 2.5 and ML value is 6.6 meter. Corresponding side GR and Ln, that equal to GR divided by Ln, that equal to Mg divided by ML. Substitute GR equal to 1.25, Ln equal to H and Mg equal to 2.5 divided by 6.6. Now cross multiplying 1.25 into 6.6, that equal to 2.5 into H. Therefore H equal to 1.25 into 6.6 divided by 2.5. Now cancel the decimal value. H equal to 1.25, we have to write 125 divided by 100 into 6.6, we have to write 66.10. Next 2.5, we have to write 25 divided by 10. Take reciprocal, therefore 10 by 25. Now cancel the values, that equal to 33 divided by 10. Therefore convert to the decimal value, 33 divided by 10, that equal to 3.3 meter. Okay, first cancel H value, simplify the all value. 10 10 is 0, 10 10 is cancel. Next 5 5s are 25. Here 5 5s are cancel, 25 is cancel. Remainder 4 25 100, 5 25 125. Here 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. 5 5 is cancelled. Therefore 33 divided by 5 into 2, 10, that equal to 33 divided by 10, that is fraction. We convert to the decimal value. Therefore 3.3 meter. Therefore height of the lamp post is 3.3 meter. Can you understand? Okay. Question number 3. A vertical stick of length 6 meter, cast of shadow 400 centimeter. A vertical stick length is 6 meter, cast of shadow is 400 centimeter. Long on the ground at the same time, a tower cast of shadow at the same time, tower cast of shadow is 28 meter long. Using similarity, find the height of the tower. Using similarity, find the height of the tower. Here length of stick value is 6 meter, cast of shadow is 400 centimeter. We convert to the meter, therefore that is 4 meter. Cast of shadow is 4 meter. The next one, tower shadow is 28 meter long. Solution. In the picture, triangle ABC and triangle DCE are similar triangle because triangle ABC and DEC are right angle triangle. C is a common angle. ABC and DEC is an B and D equal to 90 degree, and also C is a common angle. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. Similar means we have to write the corresponding sides. AB divided by DE and equal to BC divided by EC. AB divided by DE equal to BC divided by EC, that is a corresponding sides. Now substitute the value of AB. What is AB value is H. DE value is 6, that equal to, what is BC equal to 28 divided by EC equal to 4. Next we 1 4s are 4, 7 4s are 28. H equal to 7 into 6. What is answer? 7 6 are 42. Therefore height equal to 42 meter. Height of a tower equal to 42 meter. Can you understand? Here AB be the tower and DE be the length of the vertical stick. AB be the length of the height of the tower and DE be the height of the vertical stick. EC be the height of the shadow of the vertical stick. BC be the shadow of the tower. Okay, we convert to the, we take two triangle, one triangle ABC and DEC are similar. Next corresponding side are equal. Therefore we find H equal to 42 meter. Height of the tower equal to 42 meter. Can you understand? Okay. Question number 4. Two triangles QPR and QSR right angled at P and QS respectively are drawn on the same base QR and on the same side of triangle of QR. If PR and SQ intersect at T, prove that PT into TR that equal to ST into TQ. Two triangles QPR and QSR right angled at P and S respectively are drawn on the same base QR and on the same side QR. Okay, then so that prove that PT into TR equal to ST into TQ. Solution. First take triangle RPQ. Triangle RPQ using Pythagoras theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of the sum of the other two side. Here hypotenuse is QR, therefore RP square plus PQ square equal to QR square. Therefore we find PQ square that equal to QR square minus RP square, that is equation number 1. Take second triangle TPQ, that is using Pythagoras theorem. Therefore QT square that equal to TP square plus PQ square. Now find PQ square that equal to QT square minus TP square, that is equation number 2. Okay, first we take triangle RPQ using Pythagoras theorem, find PQ square. Second in use triangle TPQ using Pythagoras theorem and also find PQ square, that is equation number 1 and 2. So therefore equating equation 1 and 2 we get PQ square equal to PQ square, means that is equal to QR square minus RP square equal to QT square minus TP square. Equating 1 and 2 we get QR square minus RP square that equal to QT square minus TP square. Can you understand? Now see the diagram. RP that equal to, we fix the split the value RT plus TP. RP value is RT plus TP. Therefore QR square minus, we substitute RP value is RT plus TP square, TP the whole square equal to QT square minus TP the square, that equal to QR square minus, we explain RT plus TP the whole square, that is A plus B the whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Therefore RT square minus TP square minus 2RT into TP that equal to QT square minus TP square. Multiple the minus, therefore QR square minus RT square minus TP square minus 2RT into TP that equal to QT square minus TP square. Therefore QR square equal to qt square minus tp square plus tp square is cancel. Minus rt square interchange the value plus rt square minus interchange, therefore we get plus 2rt into tp. That is equation number 5. What is equation number 5? qr square that equal to qt square plus rt square plus 2rt into tp. Next we take triangle QSR using Pythagoras theorem. The square of the hypotenuse side is equal to sum of the square of the other two side. Here hypotenuse is QS, therefore QS square plus QR is hypotenuse, therefore QR square equal to QS square plus SR square. Now change SR square equal to QR square minus SR square. That is equation number 3. In triangle TSR, that is TR is a hypotenuse, therefore using Pythagoras theorem, TR square equal to ST square plus SR square. Therefore we find SR square equal to TR square minus TS square. That is equation number 4. Okay. Next equation number, equating equation number 3 and 4, because that is same SR square is SR square means that equal to QR square minus SQ square equal to TR square minus TS square. Now SQ equal to, we split the value of SQ, that equal to QT plus TS. Substitute SQ value equal to QT plus TS. Therefore QR square minus QT plus TS the whole square, that equal to TR square minus TS square. QR square minus, now we will explain 2QT plus TS the whole square, A plus B whole square formula, 2QT square plus TS square plus QT into TS. Now multiple the minus, therefore QR square minus QT square minus TS square minus QT into TS, that equal to TR square minus TS square. Now simplify the value, QR square equal to QT square TS square is cancel, that equal to 2R square equal to TR square plus QT square plus 2QT into TS. That is equation number 6. Now equating 5 and 6, therefore we get the value of QT square plus RT square plus 2RT into TP, that equal to QT square plus RT square plus QT into TS. Now QT square is cancel and RT square is cancel. 2 is cancel, remaining PT into TR, that equal to TS into TQ. That is a proof value, PT into TR, that equal to ST into TQ. That is a hence proved. Can you understand? Okay. Question number 5. In the adjacent figure, triangle ABC is right angle at C and DE is perpendicular to AE. Prove that triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE and hence find the length of AE and DE. The given, see the diagram, adjacent figure, triangle ABC is right angle at C. Okay, and second one DE is perpendicular to AB. So prove that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE and hence find the length of AE and DE. Solution. First we take triangle ABC and triangle ADE. What is the common angle? Yes, A is a common angle and C, here C and E equal to angle C and angle E equal to 90 degree. By similarity triangle angle criteria, using angle criteria, because C and E equal to 90 degree, angle A equal to common angle. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Therefore, similarity means we using corresponding sides are equal. What are the corresponding sides? Triangle ABC and ADE. That equal to AB divided by AD equal to AC divided by DE equal to BC divided by AE. Substitute the value of AB value. What is AB equal to? That is 13 divided by AD value is 3. That equal to AC value is 12. What is AC value? That is 3 plus 2 5 divided by DE equal to DE. Next BC value is 12 divided by AE. 13 divided by AD. So AB value is 13 means that is using Pythagoras theorem. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. So therefore AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. AC value is 5. 5 square 25. BC value BC square 12 square equal to 144. So 144 169. AC equal AB equal to 13. Root of 169 that equal to 13. Okay, that is equation number 1. Next 13 DE equal to 3 into 5. Therefore what is DE value is 15 divided by 13. Since triangle ABC is a right angle triangle means therefore AB square equal to, we find the value of AB square equal to, that is hypotenuse square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the square of the other two side. Therefore BC square plus AC square that equal to BC value is 12, AC value is 5. Therefore 12 square plus 5 square 144 plus 25 that equal to 169. What is AB value equal to 13. Now substitute 5 divided by 5 by 13 equal to 12 by AE. Therefore cross multiplying 5 AE equal to 15 into 13 into 12. Therefore AE equal to 15 into 13, 15 by 13 into 12 by 5. 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15, 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. 3 into 12, 36 divided by 13. AE equal 36 divided by 13. Simplify the value, that is we get 2.7. Therefore next DE equal to 15 divided by 13 that equal to 1.1. AE value is 2.7 and DE value is 1.1. Substituting the value of DE and AE in equation number 1. Substituting the value of DE and AE in equation number 1, we can prove that AB divided by AD equal to AC divided by DE equal to BC divided by AE. Substitute all value AB divided by AD 15 by 3. What is answer is 4.3. Next AC by DE 5 by 1.1, that is also 4.3. Third one BC divided by AE 12 by 2.7. Cancel the value, that is also we get 4.3. Therefore 13 by 3 equal to 5 by 1.1 equal to 12 by 2.7. Therefore we get answer is 4.3. It is proved that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. All corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore it is proved triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Can you understand? Hence proved. Okay. Question number 6. In the adjacent figure, triangle ACB similar to triangle APQ. If BC equal to 8 cm, PQ equal to 4 cm, BA equal to 6.5 cm and AP equal to 2.8 cm, find CA and AQ. Given diagram, see the diagram, triangle ACB and APQ, that is yes, similar triangle, that means this is the vertical opposite angle condition, therefore that is a similar triangle. The given value BC equal to 8 cm, PQ equal to 4 cm, BA equal to 6.5 cm and AP equal to 2.5 cm. Therefore, find the value of CA and AQ. Can you understand? That is similar triangle ACB similar to triangle APQ. See the triangle. Therefore, similar means that is corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, what are the corresponding sides? AB divided by AQ that equal to BC divided by BQ that equal to CA divided by AP. Substitute value of AB equal to 6.5, BC equal to 8 centimeter. Next PQ equal to 4 centimeter, CA equal to find the value, and last one AP equal to 2.8 centimeter. Okay, AB value is 6.5, AQ and CA value is we find the value. BC divided by PQ equal to 8 by 4 and CA divided by AP value is 2.8. See the diagram and apply the all values. Can you understand? From 1 we equating 2 and 3 corresponding sides. 4CA equal to 8 into 2.8. Therefore CA equal to 8 into 2.8, that is 22.4 divided by 4. Now cancel the value. 5 4s are 20. By remainder 2.6 4s are 24 centimeter. Okay, CA equal to, first we find the CA value is 22.4 divided by 4, that equal to 5.6 centimeter. Next, second we find AQ value. From 1 8 AQ equal to 6.5 into 4. Therefore AQ equal to 6.5 into 4, that equal to 26 divided by 8. Now cancel the value. 26 divided by 8, that means we get 3.25 centimeter. Therefore CA value equal to 5.6 centimeter and AQ value is 3.25 centimeter. Question number 7. In figure OPRQ is a square. OPRQ is a square and MLN equal to 90 degree angle. MLN that equal to 90 degree. Then prove that first one, triangle LOP is similar to triangle QMO. The second one, triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN. Third one, triangle QMO similar to triangle RPN. Fourth one, QR square that equal to MQ into RN. Prove that first one, triangle LOP similar to triangle QMO. Second one, triangle LOP similar to triangle RPN. Third one, triangle QMO is similar to triangle RPN. Fourth one, QR square that equal to MQ into RN. See the diagram. Solution. First one, in triangle LOP and triangle QMO, we take triangle LOP and triangle QMO. We have triangle OLP equal to angle MQO, each equal to 90 degree. Angle L equal to angle Q equal to 90 degree. Therefore angle LOP that equal to angle OMQ, that is corresponding angle. Angle LOP equal to angle OMQ, that is corresponding angles. Here OL and Q equal to 90 degree and also corresponding angles. Therefore angle similarity criterion, triangle LOP is similar to triangle QMO. Can you understand? Angle criteria, that is 90 degree and also corresponding angles. Therefore triangle LOP is similar to triangle QMO. Can you understand? Okay. Second question, in triangle LOP and triangle PRN, we have first angle PLO equal to angle NRP, each equal to 90 degree. Angle PLO equal to angle NRP, that equal to 90 degree. And next one, corresponding angles equal to LPO, that equal to angle PNR, that is a corresponding angles. So each angle is 90 degree and also corresponding angles. Therefore triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN. And third one, in triangle QMO and triangle RPN, since angle LOP is similar to triangle QMNO, and compare equation 1 and 2, proof 1 and 2, compare proof 1 and 2, angle LOP is similar to triangle RPN. Comparing 1 and 2, since LOP is similar to QMO and LOP is similar to RPN, therefore QMO is similar to triangle RPN. Okay, same condition, QMO is similar to triangle RPN. Fourth one, we have angle QMO similar to angle RPN, that is equation number 3. Using 3, similarity means therefore using corresponding sides are proportional, therefore MQ divided by RP, that is equal to QO divided by RN, because PROQ is a square. Therefore we substitute RN value is QR, OQ value is QR, therefore PR value is QR, QR into QR square, that equal to MQ into R. Question number 8. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that area of triangle ABC is 9 cm square and area of triangle DEF is 16 cm square and BC equal to 2.1 cm, find the length of EF. Okay, solution, since the area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of any two corresponding sides, area of the two similar triangle equal to the ratio of the square of any two corresponding sides, square of any two corresponding sides. Therefore area of triangle ABC is divided by area of triangle DEF, that equal to BC square divided by EF square. For substitute area of triangle ABC, that equal to 9, area of triangle DEF, that equal to 16, BC value is 2.1 square, find the value of EF square. Therefore 3 3s are, we take the square value, therefore 9 square, root of 9 value is 3, root of 16 value is 4, that equal to 2.1 divided by EF square. EF cross multiplying 3, EF equal to 2.1 into 4, that equal to 8.4. Therefore EF equal to 8.4 divided by 3, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 8 3s are 24 centimeter. Therefore EF value equal to 2.8 centimeter. Can you understand? Okay. Question number 9. Two vertical pole of height 6 meter and 3 meter are erected above a horizontal ground AC. Find the value of y. See the diagram. That is two pole, vertical pole, one PA and RC. First we write 6 meter height of a pole and second one 3 meter. We find the height of value of y, that is OB equal to y. Solution, in triangle PAC and triangle QBC are similar triangles, therefore we have two corresponding sides, PA divided by QP equal to AC divided by BC equal to PC divided by QC. Substitute the value 6 by y equal to AC by BC. Therefore 6 cross multiplying 6 BC equal to AC into y, that is equation number 1. Second, triangle ACR and triangle ABQ are similar triangle, therefore that is CR divided by QB, that equal to AC divided by AB. ACR triangle ACR, that means 3 by y, that equal to AC by AB. Therefore cross multiplying AC y equal to 3AB. So equating 1 and 2, what is the answer is 6BC equal to 3AB. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Therefore 2BC equal to AB. For AC equal to AB plus BC. Okay, so 2BC plus BC. Therefore what is answer is 3BC, because substitute AB value is 2BC. Therefore AC equal to 3BC. Substituting AC equal to 3BC in 1, we get AC into Y, that equal to 6BC. Therefore 3 into BCY, that equal to 6 into BC. BC is cancelled. For Y equal to 6 by 3, that equal to, what is answer? 2 meter. Y equal to 2 meter. Can you understand? Okay, thank you. We will see you next class. Example 4.9, it's your homework sum. Do it.